2009, married, separated 2022. Got back together 2024, divorced in 2025, baby mama of his 7 kids. Guys, do you want to tell me uNandi uphumile kulo mshado? Do you want to tell me aba bantu basekho together? Guys, if ever they feel that's the right way, man, for bona, because they need aba bantu man kuba ke bafumana i-break. They need a break. Nandi needs break, or Reverend needs a break, these kids needs a break. Aba bantu banida i-set up, aba bantu banida i-set up ezaba more calmer than ingxushungxushu yenzeka kokwabo. Yes, families are like that. We can't. At some point, ishoka Nandi, it's not bad at all. I don't want to lie. People can crush on Nandi as much as they want. Nam I'll commentate on Nandi, but I feel that Nandi, she is bringing the real family crisis ezidilishana nazo apha eMzantsi yabo, like izinto ezenzekayo apha eMzantsi for real, because uNandi, there are people that are living like that the way that uNandi living ngakhona. There are people who does izinto ngale ndlela uNandi zenza ngayo, as much as ba now bebona kuNandi bengathi ithabu. No, there are people who will go bayohlala ke nabo bangazi-afford umuntu angazazi uzawuthini. There are people who are living a lifestyle bangazi-afford. So i-reality kaNandi iyabonisa ukuthi as i-South Africans we are going through the most, guys. Masiyeke noxoka because uNandi usinika uqobo lwakhe ngqo. And what do you guys think about this? Do you think uNandi is ready to divorce kanye udlala ngathi?